Okay, so we got the struts put together, assembled them to the hubs, got them nailed up in the car, connected the lower control arms, got the brake calipers on. Still have to get the you know, the sensors and stuff plugged in and connect all these things someplace where they won't get damaged or anything, but right now we're doing some initial alignment settings in my super top secret way of getting some alignment readings. Vice gripped a piece of steel, piece of flat stock, to the brake rotor, because the brake rotor is nice and flat. Same thing on the other side. So what you do is you put it in the front, measure it. It's about 58.5. Whoopsie. Can be a little tough to do one-handed. There we go. Go on the other side. And that looks like 58 5/8, if I'm not mistaken. That means we have, at this suspension height, 1/8 inch of toe out. So that's pretty good, because what's going to happen is when the suspension compresses, since the steering tie rods are pointing down now, that will get a little longer, so you'll probably get up to about a 1/16 of an inch of toe in by the time the car is level. So yeah, we're moving right along here. I have no idea how I'm gonna check the camber and castor. This here's the castor adjustment. It's a little tab here, and right now I just have it in the middle. Same thing with the camber. These have eccentrics on either side, so if you turn the bolt on the other side, it has a flat, and this washer behind the nut is eccentric, and that makes the bottom of the strut relative to the upright here move that way. That's right, I'm going to figure out what kind of ride height we adjusted at, because these are adjustable. Okay, I think I set them both in the middle. You have a spanner that hooks in here, and you can turn this. Actually, with it up in the air like this, you can turn it by hand. But yeah, and there should be there it is. That little nylon screw is the locking screw. So we're getting close to where we're going to bleed the brakes, and after that it gets set back on the ground, and we might take it for a little ride around the driveway. Okay, well, we got as far as starting to do a pre-bleed on the brakes here. Start at the right rear to get because it's the longest run from the master cylinder. So you bleed that one first. You don't really get a lot of air out of it, but it's tough to do by yourself, because really the way you have to do it is push down on the brake pedal and then open the brake bleeder, and then before the pedal comes back up again you have to close the bleeder. So if you don't close it, it can suck air in when you bring it back up. So yeah, over the next couple days we'll try to get that done. I didn't get to the rear suspension yet to set the toe or the castor yet, so that'll be tomorrow hopefully. And yeah, we're pretty close now. The only gauge that doesn't work is the tach, and I can take it for a test drive without the tach. The cooling system doesn't seem to have any leaks or anything. That seems to be good. So it's really just suspension alignment stuff and bleeding the brakes. And then it will be test drive time.